So you have asked for a northwest location and you want a two-story property and you want to be close to Mount Charleston, but you also want to be able to get back to the strip. Sage is going to be a fantastic one here. We're going to give you all the information as far as pricing and the numbers more towards the middle part of the video, but let's get inside and take a look. And welcome to the Sage. And you do have your powder across. And nice open ceiling, but we'll get you up there in a second. Take you first to the great room. That's going to be your garage coming in, and then we open you up to the great room area here. And just really quickly, I want to let you know with this particular model here, the Sage, is that it's about 3,280 square feet. 5 bedrooms on this particular one, 4 baths, and you have those 2-car garage. A few other things I want to point out to you so you can factor these things in. Today's property that we're showing you is going to be listed at around $664,950. That is the price in the sense of the base. Then on top of that, you're going to have to deal with things. I want you factoring these things in because sometimes these things come as surprises to people. I don't want you walking in there with a number in your head and all of a sudden something else pops up and you're like, oh my God, it's more expensive than I'm thinking. You're going to be dealing with things like your lot premiums. On this particular community, that lot premium is going to be about $15,000. So let's add that to our 664. On top of that, you're also going to be dealing with what's called your SID in this particular area, Special Improvement District. We do have other videos that sort of talk to you a little bit more about what a SID is, but sometimes here in Las Vegas, when people are buying their homes, they don't understand that SID. We have that here. So again, I don't want you shocked about that. Some gated communities, some master plan communities will have those Special Improvement District fees, or in Green Valley, you'll have what's called a Living Improvement District fee. So those fees are something that you can pay off and over a period of time, and then it goes away. On this particular one, I believe that you're paying, was it 500? I think it's like $547 every 6 months on this particular one. So let's factor that in, where you're paying about a little over $1,000, $1,100, $1,200 for the year in regards to your fee. And then once that fee is paid off over a period of time, it goes away. Usually on a property like this, I hate to tell you the exact number, but we'll double check that if this is a home that you're interested in. Once we get inside of the community with you, we'll double check that number for you and make sure you have that to factor it in. But again, annually, you're looking at maybe about an additional $1,200 in fees on this particular one. With this property, or with this particular community, something you may want to consider is that they are selling what's called spec homes right now. These are ready to move in, ready to go for you type of homes. The builder has selected all the popular things that they're seeing most of their people come in and selecting, and they're putting those things already in the house for you. What's great about this is that it's much more efficient in the sense that if you need something quickly, if you need a house in 30 days, you need a house in 60 days, they have these spec homes ready to go. Then that way we can get you into that rather quickly. So let me know if that's something that you need as far as moving into something rather quickly. I'd love to show you this particular one. And if not this one, then definitely other properties in this area, in the Northwest area, or whatever area you may be looking for. Other than that, I think that should be most of the things you need to know about. Location really quickly, like we said, this is definitely up in that northwest area, so a little further up, about 25 minutes or so from the Las Vegas Strip, from the airport, all those kind of great things. And I think other than that, you should be good to go. Enjoy the video. course, your agent that will help you. Bedroom here. Now here comes your first surprise that we wanted to talk to you about. So yeah, wonderful little bathroom off of this bedroom. Fantastic. Is that a door? There is a door off of the bathroom. Wow. That door takes us into this WC and tub, yet there is another door that separates and gives this person using this room their own private sink. So there's separation in the Jack and Jill scenario versus one shared total Jack and Jill. The fact that let's say the kids are sharing this, they can have their own sink, have their own room, shut this door off here. Someone's using the shower, whatever it may be, they can wait till that person finishes up because they also have their own sink, and we're good to go. Wonderful feature on this one. Here's your primary suite. Cannot wait to show you a couple of, well, no, we showed you your other surprise, but there's one surprise on this one. First off, I love this primary suite or this primary bath. And sure, you have a walk-in closet on this one, yet I want you to see this walk-in closet. Nice, deep walk-in closet. Of course, this is an upgrade in the sense of the features that you have here, but look at that space back there. And look at all of that space back there. And it continues even more. Just kept going there for a second. Nice, sizable walk-in closet. So that's your number two surprise, other than that sort of separate Jack and Jill feel that you have on that second, third bedroom scenario over there. And per usual, guys, let us know if this one works for you. Fantastic. We love the opportunity to work with you. And if we maybe find you something else in the Las Vegas Valley or Henderson Valley, we'd love to be able to do that for you. But for now, we will see you in our next video.